The 1919 Ford Model T Convertible is an iconic vintage vehicle offered at $10,900 in Williamsville, New York. This classic car features a black exterior paint, a 4-cylinder gas engine, and a manual transmission with RWD drive. The condition is described as excellent, with the engine and transmission rebuilt, and no rust present, making it highly appealing either for restoration or as a vintage driver. The odometer shows just 1 mile, indicating low usage or a placeholder. The vehicle holds a clean title and has been maintained carefully, though it requires a new convertible top and upholstery to restore its full original charm. This Model T is a fantastic piece for collectors or enthusiasts interested in early automotive history, offering a unique driving experience and a glimpse into the automotive roots of the United States. Perfect for those seeking a well-preserved vintage car with character and history. Check the link in the description for more detailed photos and information. The 1920 Ford Model T Roadster is a genuine, authentic California hot rod from the 1950s, currently listed for $14,995 in Green Valley, Arizona. This classic car features a 1920s Ford body with updated mechanicals, including a powerful early 1955 Chevrolet 265 V8 engine, a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission, and a solid good condition build. It boasts a RWD setup, 8 cylinders, and approximately 99,999 miles, with a black paint finish and a clean title. Recently recommissioned with all new radiator, tires, brakes, water pump, generator, starter, battery, clutch, and rebuilt carburetor, making it road-ready or suitable for racing or cruising. Its vintage features include working oil lamps, Model A headlights, and a big/little stance with 7.50/16 rear and 6.00/16 front tires that still have the molding nubs, with the capacity to burn rubber easily. The car is comfortable for someone around 5 feet 10 inches and 250 pounds, and has been carefully restored to highlight its authenticity while offering modern reliability. This vehicle is perfect for collectors, restorers, or enthusiasts seeking a piece of true automotive history with a rich story and vintage appeal, blending 1920s styling with mid-century power. Check the link in the description for more photos and detailed information about this remarkable, rare hot rod. This 1923 Ford Model T Roadster truck is in excellent condition, featuring an all-steel body and a tilt bed. It runs smoothly with a new starter, battery, and a recently cleaned radiator with a new brass neck and motometer. The truck is equipped with leather seats, automatic transmission, and has only 1,500 miles on the odometer. The vehicle has a clean title and current registration, and it also includes a historical plate. This classic truck is a rare find, ideal for vintage enthusiasts or restoration projects. For more details and photos, check the link in the description. This 1924 Ford Model T is a fantastic opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Priced at $12,000, it is located in Arvada, Colorado, and offers a solid foundation for collectors or vintage car enthusiasts. The car is in good condition with no rust and a freshly rebuilt engine, along with a newly upgraded electric start system. The 4-cylinder engine runs on gas, and the car features a manual transmission. The interior is in great shape, making it an appealing option for someone seeking a classic ride. The vehicle has a clean title, and its mileage is marked as 1. This car is nearly original, with just the right balance of historical authenticity and modern upgrades. It's perfect for anyone looking to restore or drive a vintage classic. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This 1926 Ford Model T Coupe is in good condition and priced at $15,000 in Costa Mesa, California. With a 4-cylinder engine and rear-wheel drive, RWD, this classic car has only 1,628 miles on the odometer. The car is painted black and has a clean title. Its transmission is listed as other, but it is perfect for someone looking to restore or enjoy a vintage ride. It was last driven a year ago and is currently in storage. A few minor updates, like tires, are needed. This car is an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts looking for a historical piece of automotive history or a restoration project. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This stunning 1927 Buick four-door sedan is an excellent find for any classic car enthusiast, offered at a competitive price of $15,000. Located in Scioto, Oregon, this vehicle boasts an original 6-cylinder overhead valve engine with only 19,000 miles on the odometer, indicating its well-preserved condition. It features a captivating blue paint color and remains in good condition overall. This manual transmission sedan comes with a clean title status and permanent plates. The seller emphasizes that the car is all original and has never been restored, showcasing its unique charm and authenticity. Additionally, it comes with a box of extra parts, making it an excellent candidate for a vintage driver or restoration project. With its historic appeal and reliable performance, this 1927 Buick offers a remarkable opportunity for collectors. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive history. For further details and photographs, check the link in the description. This stunning 1927 Ford Model A pickup is a true classic, offered at an attractive price of $23,500. Located in Lake Havasu, AZ, this vehicle is in excellent condition with only 500 miles on the odometer. It features a powerful 1949 flathead Ford the 5.8 engine with 8 cylinders, paired with a manual transmission for an authentic driving experience. The car boasts a clean title status and a beautiful gray paint color. With its all-original Henry steel body and custom modifications, including a handcrafted convertible top and a new aluminum radiator, this pickup is not only a head-turner but also a reliable vintage driver. Ideal for car shows or as a restoration project, this classic is a fantastic opportunity for any car enthusiast. Don't miss out on this spectacular deal. Check the link in the description for more information and photos. This 1927 Hudson Super 6 is a classic gem priced at $12,345, located in Barrington, Illinois. With only 13,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle is in good condition and features a clean title. It runs on gas and has an automatic transmission, making it a great choice for vintage driving. The car has been in the seller's family since World War II, showcasing its rich history. The original frame and chassis are rust and damage-free, a rarity for 1920s vehicles. The interior is beautifully preserved, and the car has only minor blemishes, including a scratch on the passenger side hood. This Hudson has been well maintained, having spent many years in a climate-controlled environment. It's perfect for collectors or those looking to restore a classic. For more information and photos, check the link in the description. This 1927 Ford T-Bucket is a classic and well-maintained vehicle with a custom paint job and excellent condition. Featuring an 8-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive, it has a clean title and shows 100,000 miles on the odometer. The car is ready to drive and has been used for only 1,000 miles recently. This convertible is a rare find for vintage car enthusiasts and could be a great choice for restoration or enjoying as a vintage driver. Located in Ocean Township, Monmouth County, this car is being sold for $13,800 with no trades, cash only. For more details and photos, check the link in the description. For sale is a classic 1928 Dodge Brothers pickup in good condition, available for $15,200 in Spokane, Washington. This vintage beauty features an 8-cylinder engine and runs and drives great, making it perfect for both collectors and those looking for a classic driver. With an odometer reading of 12,345 miles, it reflects its well-maintained history. The vehicle comes with a clean title, and the automatic transmission offers ease of use. Ideal for restoration enthusiasts or anyone wanting to enjoy a piece of automotive history, this pickup is a standout option. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a classic. Check the link in the description for more information and photos.